Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos to get all the latest DCTUK videos. We do everything from flooring to interior design to, well, any just fun videos on YouTube. So subscribe to get all the latest content. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another home buyer's guide, and this time it's for a bedroom on a budget. So if you want to watch that, then just keep watching this video. Okay, so we're all stuck in our home and we might be bored of our interior, bedrooms, home offices, whatever. It's just really getting to us, right? So I'm going to give you some tips on how to spruce up your bedroom on a budget. Now let's start with my first flooring recommendation, and that would be the Nouveau Cozy Toes. So this is the Nouveau Cozy Toes here, and it's a really thick and luxury carpet towel for the price point. Honestly, when this is called Nouveau Cozy Toes, it's called Cozy Toes for a reason. It is super, super cozy. It comes in 6 different colourways and you get a 7-year warranty with it. Our sales advisor here at DCTUK.com, Nor, recommends the Nouveau Cozy Toes. She says it's, and I quote, the one. Now, we have had some real life customer reviews come in from this Nouveau Cozy Toes, so let's take a look at what they said. So Philip said that he's so pleased with his Cozy Toes carpet tiles. The service received was excellent, the delivery was definitely speedy, and the quality of the tiles are superb. Very easy to fit and they look great. So there you can see Philip's bedroom, where he's used the Nouveau Cozy Toes in his bedroom as well. So it's not just me recommending it, it's other people as well. And we have another review of someone who's also used the Nouveau Cozy Toes in their bedroom this year, and they've said that they love these tiles. It's soft and fluffy, perfect for the bedroom, easy to lay, and colour is lovely. So you'll see there that both reviews said they're easy to lay. Now that's where the money saving option comes in. These carpet tiles are super easy to lay yourself, which is where you're going to save some money. A good option is to order some free samples on our website at DCTUK.com so you can feel how thick and cozy these carpet tiles actually are. Now my next recommendation would be the Nouveau Home Comforts. Now this is thinner than the Cozy Toes, but it's more on a budget price point. So if you're looking for something still soft but not as luxurious as the Cozy Toes, then the Nouveau Home Comforts is for you. So let's see what customers have said about the Nouveau Home Comforts. So this lady said, I ordered my carpet tiles for my home, which were very good quality and great price compared to quotes I received from local suppliers. Delivery was quick and customer service was excellent. I would certainly recommend DCTUK. So you can see that picture there where she's used the Nouveau Home Comforts in her bedroom. And another top tip for some interior advice on a budget would be to add some plants into your room, like the one in the picture just then. It really brings the outdoors in and gives a pop of colour without spending a lot of money. Now my next and final carpet tile recommendation would be the Nouveau Concrete. This carpet tile is an amazing budget-friendly carpet tile that looks just like concrete once it's laid down. You can see exactly how good this will look in your bedroom by using our DCTUK.com visualizer. So just go on our website and scroll down to the visualizer. All you'll need to do is click the bedroom setting, then you'll click the floor and add in the Nouveau Concrete tiles, or any tiles that you want. So you can see exactly how this will look in your bedroom before committing to the purchase. Now, how amazing does that look? The Nouveau Concrete carpet tiles come in 5 different colours. Now let's take a look at a customer review. So James has again put these carpet tiles in his bedroom, and he said it's a lovely colour and they really have a great finish. No problems fitting it myself. I'm very happy to do it again in another room. The floor tiles were for a contemporary themed bedroom and we're very happy with the finished product. So just like James said there, if you're wanting to give your bedroom a more modern look, then the Nouveau Concrete is definitely for you. Now, if it's not carpet tiles that you want in your bedroom, why not try our budget LVT? Now, this LVT is the Nouveau Rigid Core. Now, I've chosen this as my budget option LVT for the bedroom because you do not need to purchase adhesive with it, so that's a money saving option. And there's another. If we flip the LVT around, you'll see that underlay is already pre-installed on the LVT, so there's no requirement to buy any underlay for this LVT, which again is another money saving option. So everything you need to do your LVT is in this one product. No extras are required to be bought with this. And as I said before, there's no adhesive required to this. This is a click LVT, so it's super easy to fit yourself. So again, saving some money on those fitters. Now the Nouveau Rigid Core is stocked here in our Liverpool warehouse, so you can get next day delivery on this. So if you're a person with no patience like me, then you can get this straight to your house in the next working day. With some lovely colours to choose from, the Nouveau Rigid Core is a sure top buy for a budget LVT in the bedroom. Now I hope this video has given you some ideas for sprucing up your bedroom. Remember, they're just my top budget recommendations. We have hundreds of more carpet tiles and LVT products on our website at DCTUK.com. If you're still struggling to find the one that's perfect for you, remember we do have our live chat available on our site. Or you can give us a call and talk to us over the phone. Now that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Buyer's Guide budget videos on how to do different parts of your house. And also many other fun videos as well. So with that being said, we'll see you in the next one. Bye!